So Waste Management had discarded this dumpster because it was split on the back side, and my brother had it. He gave it to me. I repaired the split. It was actually pretty big. Now there's a split in the front, and I'm repairing that. And this is the, what is it, HDPE plastic. So it's very easy to work with. I've just been heating this up with my heat gun and then taking my hammer and going down in there. Now I need to get it deeper into the plastic. I had the plug plugged into this thing, and it has a little breaker on it which popped out, so I just went right to the wall. Now I'm going to let it cool down, and I'll pound that down some more and get that going there. It's going pretty good. First time I did this, I had my torch. I don't know if I owned a heat gun at the time, but I ended up using my torch, the propane torch. So when this piece is on, the split comes down to about here. I've got another little piece, and I'll probably bring it all the way down. So then I might just as well look on the other side and see how my old patch is working. I think it's been literally about a minute since I shut the camera off and started again. It's so easy to do. I'll let it cool for a minute, and then I'm just going to touch up that spot right there because the wire is raised above the plastic, and then work on the second piece. All right, it is done. It looks like there's a couple of spots that I could touch up, but I'm not going to. I'll just wait and see how that's going to hold. Maybe perhaps I should go deeper on that spot. Yeah, I'll give it a rip. There's the first patch that I did several years ago. I have no idea. It's probably been at least 5 years, I would say. It don't look so good, but I tell you what, you get that hardware cloth embedded in there. It ain't coming out, but I do see a split right here now. I don't have any of this coarse stuff. I do have some fine, and that should be fine. Well, maybe that'll last me another 5 or 7 years. All right, reckon that's it.